Hi friends, welcome to my Learning Points YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on PHP data types. In our last video we discussed about PHP variables and its use, and we discussed about variable scope and their use with some examples. If you missed that video, please go through one so it will be more helpful to understand this video. So today we will discuss about different types of data types used in PHP and how they are working. To be a PHP developer, you need to know all the types and purpose of uses. Generally, PHP can store 8 types of data, and different types can do different things. Further, these 8 types are categorized in 3 types. One is scalar, second is compound, and third is special types. So in scalar types, basically these types is to store single value, like boolean. It represents only 2 possible states, one true and false. Generally it is using for condition testing. Second one is integer. Integer is a number without decimal point. It must not have any fractional value. It can be either positive or negative. The third one is float type. This data type is used to set fractional values. A float is a number with a decimal point. And string. The string is the fourth data type in scalar types. String is a collection of characters. It can contain alphanumeric character. Basically, while declaring string variable, we need to set values with double or single inverted comma. So these one are the 4 types of variable under scalar types. Now the second type is compound type. These types can hold multiple value like array, object. So what is array? Array is a type of data structure that allows us to store multiple elements in a single variable. And the second one is object. Object is an individual instance of the data structure defined by a class. We can define class and can create multiple objects to it. So now the last part is special types. In a PHP, there are 2 special data types are there. One is resource and another is null. Resources are not exact data types in PHP. Basically, resources are used to store some function calls or reference to external PHP files. And the last one is null. Null is a special data type and it has only value that is null. We have to write null, N-U-L-L, in capital letter because it is case sensitive. Null means nothing, not even space. So here we can see all 8 types of data which are categorized in another 3 types: the scalar, compound, and special types. So friends, we have got some idea about different data type used in PHP. In our next tutorial, we will discuss about PHP strings. If you get any help from my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So we will meet again in our next video. Thank you.